G'day guys, being here. Today we're going to model these stairs. Okay, so this one. So I, I I did one. The scale's not quite right, but I think just show you some methods. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's create a project. And okay, so first we need to go to the elevation. So I'm going to create some levels. So you can copy or array, and I'm going to just select everything SA and ungroup. So we have these levels now. Okay, so now go back to floor plan, and first I'm going to I'll just add a grid. Okay, so another one, and then I'm going to place my stairs. So this will be the center line that go down there, go up there. Okay, so now let's go to architecture, stairs. So I'm going to pick a, not sure which one, but maybe I'll just use this one. Okay, so it looks like a 250. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm going to make this 1.8, maybe 1.5, and I'll start from here. So this is the from ground floor to level 1. So you'll see that the text here. So we need 22 riser. So I'm going to just place half here, and then just place another half here. And also, if let's go back to this, I'll just see if I can find an image somewhere. So maybe this one. Here it looks like the landing. There will be one thread, a depth of one thread. So yep. So I'm going to move this one up by one thread. Okay, and also which means we need to move this down and actually move the whole thing down. But let's just move them to the correct location relative to this grid. Okay, so I'm going to type in a number. So this will be roughly half, roughly the radius of this column. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure how exactly what exactly that radius is, but I'll just roughly type in 400. So let's assume that's the size of that column, and then we need to move the whole thing down by one thread. So now the column will be here, another column will be here. So now we can select this landing and convert. So this will convert this landing to a sketch, a landing by sketch. So now we can edit sketch. So now we can just change this to instead of a straight line, we can change this to half circle, and then we can just trim, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, and trim this one. So now if I finish, and then that's it. And don't worry too much about these support, because for this exercise I'm going to just delete them. Or you can just finish this. I'll just delete the array link as well. And for the support, I'm going to go edit, and I'll turn it off. Oh hell, let me just maybe because if we look at these stairs, so from the down on the side of this stairs, so it looks like now that's just a floor. So if we do not worry about all the structure, how these are created, to just create some schematic, model, we can probably just change this to a monolithic stairs, which means it's just one pace. Yeah, I think this works okay. Yeah. So let's just use this one. And the next step is, so we're going to place some of the, all the handrail, or even let's call it the walls, and also you will see it's also the roof or ceiling on top of that as well. So let's find some um, easy way to create this. So it's not really easy to create a handrail to follow this. So actually, it's easier to just use curtain wall. Okay, so let's do it. So first, I'm going to create a curtain wall WA. Go here. So I'm going to use this store front. So I'll just draw one here, and then I'm going to unpin one of the mullion. So I can edit type, duplicate, and create one. I'll just call it 30 by 30. And I'll change this one to 30, change this one to 50, also 15, 15, and OK. So that's the one we need. So now I'm going to select this curtain wall, edit type, duplicate. So I'm calling it 30 by 30, and I'm going to. So if you look at this, it will be only vertical with all the border top and the bottom mullion, and maybe we'll use number. Okay, use number. So go back to Revit and vertical. So there's no horizontal internal, so I'll change this to none. Horizontal mullion, so this will be the border one, so I will change this to 30 by 30. And vertical, there will be no border vertical, so change this to none. And for internal, I'm going to use 30 by 30. And horizontal, none grid. Okay, so vertical, we're going to use number. So number. So all good. Click OK, and just delete. So now we have this one. So if I create another one, create a similar. So this is what we're going to have. And actually, let me change the drawing condition as well. So our border and horizontal grid continues. Okay, and also maybe I'll give it a material. Let me change to shade SD, and currently the material is aluminum. Maybe I'll just change this one to I'll call it metal. Okay, so metal. Oh, that's already metal. Maybe new metal. Okay, so that's it. And actually, I want to use hidden line with a little color, so I'm going to give it a solid fill with a little color. So okay. So now change the shade. Oh, sorry, hidden line HL. So now you can see a little bit color. Okay, so good. Now we are going to place this one onto this. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one. So for this one, I'm going to select it, CS, create similar, pick line. I'll just pick the edge of this stairs. So pick here. So, and you will see currently the mullion sitting in the middle here. So it's easier to offset the mullion. So I'm going to select this edit type and offset by 15. So apply, OK. It looks like it go to the other side. Just press space. Okay, so now that's better. And also maybe we need to create a new system panel. So currently this is a glaze. So I'm going to create a new one. So this time I'll call it a metal. And also the offset, I'll try 15. And also for thickness, maybe I'll try 20 or maybe 10. I'll change the material to new metal and click OK. Now let's go select this curtain wall, edit type, change this to the new system panel we just created. So okay, I think that's looks like, is that right? So let me just change to TL. So currently it's sitting in the middle. I think that's okay, but looks like the thickness needs to, because to match that size, maybe we can do, what we can do is we can edit the type. We can change this one to 30. Okay, so yeah, that's better. So now, or even instead of 30, maybe I'll just change it. Sorry, I'll change it to 25, something like that. So we can have a little bit offset. So now line to, and then, so not a line, sorry, that's what's this one called, trim extend. Okay, so trim extend, oops, wrong one, tab this face and this one. So now select this one, and we can change the number of this to 2. And also what we need to do now is we just need to edit profile. So edit profile, pick line. So I'm going to pick I'll think I'm going to pick this line, okay, to match the underneath of that the stairs. And also I want to, oh, actually there's a little offset, and maybe I'll just move this up by 50, and I'll copy this one up a number, so 23 maybe. So make sure you have enough head height. So now trim, and finish it. And oh, there's another line there. So delete this one, finish, and delete element. So this is it. So this will be one of the wall, or the side, the railing. And this one need to go up a little bit, 50. Oops. Just remove constraints. Okay, so finish, and then that's it. So that's one of it. And then you can just copy one CC, and let's AL align, and pick this, and we just need to space, so it will be on the other side of that stairs. So that's it. So then the next step is we need to create something here. Okay, so maybe I'll delete this one. So then I'll create a new one, CS, pick line, pick this. So now here, let me just change the height first. Okay, so I'm going to use annotate, spot elevation, pick the height of that, oh sorry, wrong one. Pick the height of this floor, or this underneath of that floor, and then we can offset by 50. So I want to know the height is, so 1613. So let's select this curtain wall. There will be 1663, and then select this one and a space. Okay, so space, which means flip this curtain wall to, okay. So now, because we can only have flat, so if you look at these curtain walls, all the panels are flat. We need to change this. Okay, so let me just change the, so first let me just change the height of this to, yeah, I think to roughly match this. Okay, so yeah. So the next is I'm going to change the curtain wall panel to a wall instead. So I'm going to WA, create a wall first, and then I'm going to maybe just start from this one. Okay, so and edit type, duplicate. So I'm going to call it a metal. Okay, so metal panel. Okay, and okay, so go to edit. So I'm going to change this to 25, which to match those panels, and also change the material to new metal. So click OK. Okay. So we don't need to create a new one. Create this wall. We just go to this curtain wall, and also I'm going to actually keep this type, curtain wall type, and I'm going to create a new curtain wall type for this one. So edit type, duplicate. I'll just use this name, and change this one. So from a system panel metal to a basic wall metal here. So now if I click OK, so now this time, so you will see it become curved. So, okay, so it become curved, and then still if you look at here, so this is a mullion, so it's still straight. So to make it curved, we need to change. Okay, so instead of use mullion, so we can use sweep. So let me just show you. So if I have a currently we don't have any profile, so this is very huge sport sweep. So we need to create a profile first. So new family, go to profile. So profile, and OK. So I'm going to just draw, so line, rectangle, so a 30 by 30. So we just need a 30 by 30 and 30. So then I'm going to move this to center to this. So I think this will be it. Save as. So save as. I'll just save as a name. Okay, so 30 by 30. Save and load this into the project. So now go to 3D view. So select this one, edit type. Let's just rename it. Okay, so duplicate 30 by 30, new metal, and profile will be 30 by 30, and OK, and then this is it. So now what we can do is we can build this into the wall type. Okay, so currently this if we select this one, so this is a wall pin it. So this is a basic wall metal panel. So edit type. We can just click on preview. So change this one to section. So if your default option is floor plan, so you can change this to section, edit, and then you have these options. So you can click on sweeps, and then we can add. So we can click on add, change this profile to 30 by 30, change this to new metal, and I think let's try 15. So and apply. Okay, so you will see here. So let's just zoom in a little bit and go back to sweeps. Maybe we need to offset it. So depending on this one, so it will be half of the wall thickness is 12.5. Let's try negative 12.5. Apply. Oh, good. Right. Now we need another one. So duplicate. This time we just need to change this dimension of the height. I'll just roughly type 2 meters for now, and we need to work out. So finish this one. So now we need to work out what that need to be, and also we need to remove the mullions of this curtain wall. So select this curtain wall, tab, oh, maybe move to here. So select this one. So this is the whole curtain wall, edit type. Let's get rid of all this border. So we don't need border because we're going to use wall sweeps. And OK, delete mullion. Yep, all good. So you will see this one go down to there. And then we need to work out what that one needs to be. So height of that need to be. So currently it's just roughly the rough height of this one. So it looks like I need to come down a little bit. Maybe let's try 2200. Maybe 2250. Okay, I think that's close enough. 2250. So which means if we place if we place a wall sweep, so edit type, and so go preview sweeps will be 2250 minus 12.5, so equals sorry, minus 15, so 2250 minus 15. Okay, so 2235, okay, 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 okay. That's it. That's it. So now, what's this one? What's this one? Oh, sorry. I changed this one too. That's okay. So edit type. Let's go back to, because let's go here. So we just need to change. So that one's fine. This one I'll change this back to 15. Okay. So okay, 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 okay. That's it. So one here, one here. So and then these are vertical mullion. These are sweep. This is basic wall. And this one looks like we need a vertical one here as well. Maybe we add a vertical one. So add a border vertical in here. So vertical border. You can copy this. So you don't need to select from the list. Just paste the name. And then that's it. So okay, so then what we need to do is we need to copy this one to here. So I'm going to do this. Such as CC here, AL align to this, and pick. Oops, sorry. Let's do it again. Align this face and pick this curtain wall, and then select it space and edit profile. We just need to flip this up. Okay, so I'm going to maybe just do it again. So pick line, pick this face, and move it up by 50, and pick this one and move this up by 50, and then trim TR, and then pick this line and pick which one. Let me have a look. I think we need to pick this one, trim here, and it will go up 2250. Okay, so CC 2250 TR and trim TR finish, and that's the delete element. So now we have another one here. All right, good. And then we can select it, CC here, AL align, pick this wall, select it, space. Okay, so that's another one. And then the one in the middle, I think, yeah, just place a column there. Oh, good. And then let's just have a look at the stairs. So because we are going to have multiple of these, so the easiest way will be select this stairs, and you can do this one and add, so connect levels. So just add all these levels, finish, and then that's it. So it looks like we need another landing between these. So what we can do is we can select this. So tab, select this one, and then edit stair. So now we can go to top view, and we're going to select this landing. Okay, so landing, and I'm going to mirror it down. So pick this line. So, and then I think we need to adjust it a little bit. So select this one. So see, it tells us the height of this one. So I'm going to select this, copy this one, and paste into here. Yep, I think that's good. And also I want to match this one. So let's go to top and edit sketch. So and then I'll just connect this one to here, finish it, delete this, drag this to here, and finish. I think that's all good, and then finish. So now we have these. Okay, looks like something's not right. The level here, so we're missing one step. Okay, so let's have a look. So tab, select this one, edit stairs. So level 1 looks like the top of this stairs not correct. So which means I think we need to go to go to ground floor plan and select this one. Sorry, it's a little bit confusing now. So we go one here up 12, 22. It looks like we need to change this one to 4 meter. Okay, so let me just change this to 4 meter because the level difference are 4 meters. Now, yeah, we have one more. Okay, so now let's have a look in 3D view, and yeah, we have this one more. So maybe what we can do is we can edit this sketch of this landing to just pick this line. I'll just pick this line and I'll trim this one, trim this out. We don't need to trim, just delete this. Finish and finish. Okay, still we need to, it looks like the level of this landing is not correct as well. So tab, select, edit, select this landing. So it looks like it go back to that level, which is not correct. So we just need to change this one to 4 meter. Okay, so finish. Yeah, I think it looks better now. Okay, so good. And it looks like we needed to extend this a little bit. So this one. So we can maybe just let me just try AL alone, see if it works or not. Yeah, all good. Looks like we need to adjust the profile. Okay, so that's okay. Just trying to, yeah. Oh, where is that one? Drag. Maybe we can just drag this one. Oh, okay. So because this one's following the profile. Okay, so let's do this one first. Edit profile. I'm going to just align to this and then move this up by 50. Okay, and then I'll just delete this one, copy this one up by 2250 and trim TR. So now we have this one, finish, delete. Okay, good. And then for this one, I don't want to do it again. I'll just select this one and go to the top, DM, mirror, up there. That's it. Okay, so DM. I think this is all good. And then I'll just skip this part. So it's basically another one here. So this one to here. Okay, maybe I'll just copy it. Try to select the curtain wall. So move your cursor around the edge until you see the whole shape. So this one. And select it, CC. And I'm going to mirror it. I'm just going to mirror it to use the vertical face of this stairs. Just roughly, maybe this one. Okay, so yeah, looks like I picked the correct one. And then I just need to change the height of this. So what I'm going to do is I'll just check the level of this one. So 3.7, yeah, good. And then select this. Try to pick the whole thing. Okay, so it will be 3 equals 3700 minus 50. So that's a little bit offset. Okay. Oh, plus 3750. Yep. No good. And looks like we need to make them a little bit. Maybe we can change the height of this, but let's pretend it's all perfectly matched. Okay, so and then that's it. Looks like we need to add a little bit more here. Yeah, we can just we can just let me do this. Another one, CS, and okay, so maybe no, I'm not going to do this. Maybe I'll just add that into this. So if when I have this one, so let me copy these two. Okay, so can you see? I'm just going to go to align to select level 1. So now we have another 2. So I'm going to add that into this part. So it will be, so edit profile. So pick this line. I'll pick this edge here, and we'll extend this, probably extend this. Okay, so trim, delete, trim. It looks like we need to just, it's probably better do it this way. Finish, delete. Yeah, I think that this is better. All right, and then for the other side, so we can just select this one, go to top, DM, middle. Okay, so we have another one there. Yep, I think this is good. Or even now, just copy them back down there as well. Control C, Control C, and align to the ground floor. Yeah, all good. So then what we can do is, so we can paste all these up. Okay, so I'm going to delete these two because I'm going to place all these together. So tab, select. So currently we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and also control this one and control this one. So now we have 6. There should be 6. Yeah. So Control C, and all these 6 curtain walls are all from ground floor. So we can just align to level 1 to level 10. Okay. So it will be pasted all up to the levels above, and then that's it. Okay. So now let's have a look at this, and we probably need some columns there. So the column will be structure column. So go structure column, go load family. So go back to structural columns, and I'm going to use maybe concrete. Okay, so this one or this one. Yeah, so that's this one. So round column, concrete round column. Okay, and maybe I'll just pick 451 and go to ground floor first, and then I'll just place it. Oh hell, looks like this needs to go up a little bit. What's the dimension of this one? Di radius 400. Yeah, that's okay. So I'll just move this grid to the center. Oops, looks like my landing is following my. Maybe do this. I'll just copy this one. I'll cheat a little bit. Copy that and delete this, and copy this one down here. Okay, so now we have this one. So now I'm going to just place a column. Okay, so place a column. 450. Let's pretend it needs to be 450 or 450 diameter. Maybe we have. I'll just create 800, which is 400 radius. Okay, so, and also I'm going to use height. I'll just place it. I'll use depth for now. So place one here, another one here. So if we go to 3D view, we have these two go from ground floor to into the underground. Okay, so I'll go, and then I'm going to Control C, paste and align to level 1, and then with these two I'm going to change this to 0 and change this to ground floor, change this to 0, so it'll be from ground floor to level 1. Okay, so and then Control C and paste to the upper level. Okay, so now we have all the columns. Oh, looks like we missed one there. Okay, so align to level 1. Yep, so now we have all the columns. And then let's have a look again. So we need some beam. Okay, so beam, and then the beam will be it will be a structure beam, load, go back. So structure framing. Here, structure framing. So I'm going to use concrete. Maybe I'll just use this one. And okay. So now let's have a look. The size are quite big. Maybe I'll just use 300 by 600. And then for the beams, I'm going to just place one here. Okay, so and then we just need to work out what the level of this is. So 16, 13. So then select this beam and just type in 16, 13, and then another 16, 13. So now we have the beam here. So maybe I'll just drag this a little bit. So maybe here. So okay, and then what we can do is we can just rotate it and copy it. RO space, pick the center SC, pick the center point of this circle, copy 90, and then that's it. And then we can MM mirror. We don't have a line. Use DM, and we have another one here. So now if we rotate it a little bit, so that's it. And then go up a little bit, so we can do this. So SA, select all these, or maybe here, SA, yeah, select all these 3. And this time I'm going to mirror it to this end. Okay, so I'm going to maybe use DM, and just need to pick a midpoint. I guess this one. Yeah, that's it. So now we just need to work out the level of this is just spot elevation. So 3, 7. Select 1, 2, 3, 3, 7. Control C, Control V. Apply. And that's it. So that's the another 3. Okay, so then we can select everything here. So because currently all these 6 beam reference levels are the reference level of all these 6 beams at ground floor. So we can do is Control C, paste a line, 1 to 10, okay, and that's it. So yeah, that's basically it. It looks like there's a little gap between there. So I think what can we do with this one? Not sure. Not sure. Maybe you can just maybe we can just adjust the stairs to not quite sure. Maybe we can just do an extrusion to fix that bit. But I think if this is a schematic design, I think it's good enough, I think. So let's have a look at this again. Yeah, the scale is not quite right. This is more wider, and yeah, so mine is more skinnier. And also looks like there's some more beams there, but I think you should be able to figure out how to do that. So you just need to add another beam, but instead of, I'll just copy this one away here and then rotate it about 90 degrees. So you just need to work out, maybe not this one, maybe it's easier to do it this one. So maybe this one. It should be the same. But I'll just copy this one, rotate it by 90 degrees. So you just need to work out what the level this one is. So this one's level 1 with this level. So you can just type in. So if you drag this one to align with that one, so you can use ground. So this is ground floor with that. So yeah, it looks like we can only have one reference level. So you probably need to work out what the difference between that. It will be equals 3700 plus plus yeah no, I don't know. 4 meter minus so 1300 or something, but you should be able to figure out. So see, you just need to find the number, and then it will be that number. So probably need to change the size as well, and then you can just place it there. And once you have one, you can copy it and paste to all the other levels. Okay, so that's yeah, that's it. And of course, I think there's also different ways to do it. Okay, so let's. I just forgot something. The, the the top of this. So if you look at here, so there's a top. It's closed. So this is we can do it for using roof. Okay, so I'll show you quickly roof. So for this bit, I'm going to use roof by extrusion because it's easier to do it this way than roof by footprint, because I don't need we don't need to figure out the slope. Okay, so extrusion. So first pick a plane. I'm going to pick this face. Okay, so pick a face of this panel. Level, I'll use ground floor, and then I'm going to go to here. So I'm going to use a sloped glazing. Pick line, and I'll just pick 1, 2, and also this, and then I'm going to trim it and delete this. Okay, so this will be the profile of the roof, and also I'll go edit type, duplicate, and to create a new one. So this is a new one. So and then we're going to use all this already. We just created before. So I'll choose roughly just this one grid. I'm not sure which one's grid 1, which one's grid 2, but I'll just change this one to number. And grid 2, so I'll use will be internal 30 by 30. Border will be I think should be the same, 30 square. Oh hell, 30 by 30, 30 by 30. And for this one, maybe I'll just use 30 by 30 for the border only. Okay, finish. And then I'll just AL, pick this face, pick this edge. So now we have a top, a roof on top, and then I'm going to change the number to from 4 to 2, so it will match. Oh hell, looks like yeah, we have some issue here. I think we need to just break this part. So because we are going to create this as part of this. So now I'll delete this, finish this, and delete element and delete instance. So now we have this one. So it looks like it's not matching here, but and also there's a little offset from the top. Maybe we can just level offset typing a number. Yeah, I think that's better. To align this, I think because this one's 1 and the equal, and we need to probably unpin it to manually match because it's not equal. Okay, so you can just use your keyboard and that's it. And then of course this one you can just create another one there. So And for this bit, we can create a roof by footprint, and I'm going to use a ground floor for this one. Pick, I'll pick this line. Maybe I'll try to pick the whole. Nope. Oh, here, this one. And then I'll pick this line. So this line. Then we can just trim it and uncheck the define slope. Finish it. So now we just need to work out the level of this point. Okay, so and then 39, 13. Select this roof, change this one to this, and okay, so we probably don't need this. Instead, we need maybe couple, maybe one another direction. So we need to create a new one. So this time we just change this one to none and change this one to fixed number. So we're going to change this one to 1 when we finish this one. And for this one, we need this one. I'll leave this and OK, and delete grid. So change this to 1, and I'm going to move this up. Or actually, maybe we need to edit footprint, and we need to oops, sorry, SL split trim and uncheck the define slope, finish it, and I'll just move this up to 3913, and that's it. So it will be the roof of that. Yeah, so then this will be the same. You can probably just copy mirror this to this end and then change the profile. I'll just skip this. So then once you finish all the roof for one part of the stairs, you can select all of them, Control C, and align and to all the upper level. Click OK. And then that's it. So you'll see all these all good. So right, and yeah, that's I think that's it. So it's basically this. I'm sure this is not the only way to do it. So you have different ways, but this is I think this is quite easy because you don't need to model anything. It's basically just curtain wall from existing curtain wall, and then we just to change a little some setting, create a new type, and create this. Okay. If you find a better solution, or if you have any ideas, suggestion, please let me know, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.